Now this is just going right over the top of my flooring material. And I'm fine with that. I'd rather do it that way than the very opposite. Do this patch first and then do the flooring up on top of that. No. Makes no sense to do that. You see what I mean? Okay. There. Now, it looks lighter, but remember, it's going to dry darker. And I believe this is really close to being the same thing that was on the wall to begin with anyways. Okay. So now, where else did I did that in a couple other little spots. And I'm just trying to remember exactly. I got to be careful not to step over there. Remember I had the patch. I had the patch here, and this one I didn't paint over with anything. See, that blends right on in, doesn't it? And in fact, I shouldn't have to do anything with that. I can't even really see the patch, but I know it's right in here. Right there. Okay, so where else? I know I still have to do this patch over here. I got to do a stucco patch here. But I don't want to do that just yet. I'm going to put a couple more coats of this white coating on here. I've already caulked that good. I want to put a few more layers first on there before I do this, okay? Because that's how I did that one over there. Okay? See, so I'll do, because I can still see some of the cloth a little bit right there. I can coat that over a couple more times. And shoot, I should have done that when I had my white, when I had this out to fill that. First thing today, I should have run it over here and I forgot. I got to do like 2 coats there. So before I do this floor later today, I'll put a coat on there and then I'll do the floor, and then tomorrow I'll put some more on there. Okay. And I remember I did a little bit of paint right up in there. I probably could throw a little bit of stucco right in there, and I think I'm going to. I'm liking this stuff, really. It's a nice little patch material. The main thing with that is that you get the right color. So, you know, hopefully on your house, if you've got the color that you put on your stucco, fine. Take that same color and then have them mix it up in that dry-vit. And this stuff just bonds on there. I was hoping it wasn't just gonna kind of like come off, but it doesn't. It doesn't come off. It just sticks. Yeah, it looks like they should have scraped that off. Putty knife. And I can tell that they used that they previously used that same dry bit on there, because that stuff that I just whacked off does not act like concrete stucco. It acts kind of like a heavy, oh, I don't know, plasticky type substance. Hard coating, I don't know, like a vinyl coating stuff. I don't think you'll even see that when that dries, so I'm not too concerned about it. Okay. I'm not going to get too wiggy on this. You know, next summer I can go around. I noticed some different spots that are kind of coming off here and there on the stucco, and I can do some spot stuccoing, patching later. But for right now, I'm really pleased with how this is coming out. Okay, so now I'm going to go down. We're going to go down here. I didn't just walk in that, did I? Nope. Okay. I'm going to go down here and check this out. Check out where I did that painting there. That seems to be okay. This is the lighter color, so I can't put that there. But I'm curious to see if it's going to cover these two splodges here, and actually I ran that same paint from here down. Can you see the color difference? It almost looks like a shadow, but it's really not a shadow. And then I've got to go over this. I'm not sure if that stuff is going to match this, and if it doesn't exactly match this, that's okay, because you know why? I can just redo the whole side of this column with that, just using my paintbrush. Yeah. All right, I'll get set up and we'll try this out on this column. Because see, this column almost looks just a hair darker than this one over here. Okay, that's still drying, but it looks like it's going to blend in. I'm liking that. Well, the hardest part of this project is just to carry that drive it 5-gallon bucket down here. Man, that thing is heavy. I know the other one is even heavier because it's got more in it. Okay, I can leave it like that. I think that'll work. Oh. I know I'm going to get some of this on the step, but that's all right, I think. Now, where are those patches? Okay. It's hard to even see it. There. Now when that dries, we'll hold our breath and let's see if it blends in. If it doesn't, we'll have to cross that bridge at that time. Yeah, that's a good one there. Do I do this down here or not? Decisions. thinking it's a little bit, I don't know if it's going to be light enough, or I think it might be too light when it dries, but I don't know. It could just be perfect.